gentle great heats rise in flight. Peace unfolds beside the silent bough, and a small young robin greets us now. Holy calm within this dawn so bright. Holy light, be near tonight. Guide our hearts in gentle peace. Holy light, pure and bright, let your tender blessing never cease. Through the stillness a tender light is born, touching gently every frost-kissed thorn, warming earth and heart in quiet grace, guiding us through winter's holy space. Hope rising with this sacred morn. Oh, light, be near tonight. Guide our hearts in gentle peace. Oh, light, pure and bright, let your tender blessing never cease. In the silence where winter nights grow mild, love descends as softly as a child, resting in the heart that seeks the light, holding us through every gentle night. Peace abiding in this holy child. Holy light, be near tonight. Guide our hearts in gentle peace. Holy light, pure and bright, let your tender blessing never cease. Holy light, be near tonight. Guide our hearts in gentle The city sleeps in shades of blue. I'm sending a signal out to you through the wires and the winter cold. A story new and a story old. No fireplace, just a glowing screen, but you're the warmest thing I've seen. And if the snow falls down under the stream, I'll meet you there in a digital dream. It's a starlight connection, heart to heart, miles away but never apart. Can you hear the choir singing low? Love is the only code we know. promises are meant to keep. I see your words light up the dark. A 01, a flying spark. From us to neon, the signal flies, reflecting starlight in your eyes. Snow falls down on the data stream. I'll meet you there in a digital dream. It's a starlight connection, heart to heart, miles away but never apart. Can you hear the choir singing low? Love is the only code we know. Liora in excelsis, light up the sky. In excelsis, everything's going to be alright. It's a starlight connection, heart to heart, miles away but never apart. Starlight connection, we are in the hush of crimson morning, where the lanterns softly glow, we walk the path of memory through the drifting cherry snow. Each ember tells a story of kindness left behind, and every step we take today is lit by love we find. Lantern in the snow, shining where we go, guiding hearts with gentle flame through winter's silent flow. Lanterns in the snow, let the warmth bestow a light for those we cherish still, a grace we softly know. The sigil blooms above us, its petals calm and wide, and Liora's voice like starlight sings the peace we hold inside. we cherish still, a grace we softly know. So let the ember flicker, let the silence sing, let every soul remember the light that love can bring. Lanterns in the snow, shining where we go, guiding hearts lift gentle flame through winter's silent flow. Lanterns in the snow, let the warmth bestow, a light for those we cherish still, a grace we softly know.